Welcome back to my channel, Next in Food. Today I am going to show you how to prepare another favorite porridge of mine. It's called green banana porridge. What is that, you may say? Let me show you how to do it. So first you need some green bananas. Very simple. We're using 4 medium-sized green bananas. I'm going to show you how to peel them in a minute. But before I do that, here are some of the wonderful stuff we're going to need for a porridge. In this pot, I have 2 cups of water, and to that, I'll be adding some cinnamon leaf. Cinnamon leaf, as the name suggests, it tastes like cinnamon. That is a must in the porridge in Jamaica. I'm adding some sugar. I like to add the sugar at the beginning. And then I'm going to add some spices. I'm adding dried orange peel. The mace from the nutmeg goes in, and also salt to taste. I'm going to let this come to a boil, and then I'll show you how to peel the bananas. So to peel a banana, this is what you need. You need a small knife. You're going to cut the top, cut the sides. I like to peel them over water, and you just hold it in your hand and kind of use your thumb to just take the skin off. The peeled green bananas, I'm going to cut them in smaller pieces and put them into my blender. I have 4 cups of water into this blender. So again, cut and peel. And we put them in the blender. Again, you cut the top, you make a mark down the side, you cut the bottom off, get a little water on there, and use your thumb to just take the skin off the green banana. Porridge is a big part of my household. My children and I, we love porridge. Porridge is a big part of the Jamaican diet. You can see people selling porridge as a street food these days on the side of the road, or you can get it from restaurants. So porridge is very, very important to the diet. And today, green banana is getting a moment. I'm going to take this over to the blender and blend it for you to see what it looks like. But before I do that, we need to add some secondary binder to our porridge in the form of, I'm using some quick oats and I'm using some flour. The recipe will be posted into the description on Next in Food, so you can find the recipe there. Let's blend. So now I'm going to pour the blended banana into the boiling liquid that has the spices. Now this step is very important. You need to stir constantly until the starches thickens. So we're going to stir, and I have it on low. I like to put it on low at this point. You don't want it to scorch and burn. Banana porridge has a pleasant banana flavor, and the flavor is complemented very well by the spices that we add in the porridge. The spices such as cinnamon, so we use both cinnamon leaf and cinnamon powder, freshly grated nutmeg, and of course, orange peel is something that I see my mother use in porridge all the time, so I like to use that in my porridge. Now this is nicely mixed in. I am going to just cover it and let it simmer for 10 minutes, and then I'm going to be adding my vanilla, my milk, and some fresh nutmeg. just to bring all the flavors together. Okay, so after 10 minutes, this is what the banana porridge looks like. Nice and creamy and thick. Look at that. So now I'm going to be adding my vanilla, cinnamon powder, freshly grated nutmeg, and some milk. Okay, just gonna mix that in, and I'm going to allow this to cook for 5 more minutes, and then I'm going to serve this. I can't wait. Banana porridge is creamy, it's nutritious, it is very inexpensive. Porridge is great for breakfast. It keeps you full until lunchtime. I encourage you to try this porridge. The banana porridge is now ready to serve. I'm going to show you how we serve it. And we normally have porridge with water crackers or bread or fritters in Jamaica. So again, I encourage you to try this banana porridge. Tell me what you think about the recipe. And thank you for subscribing to my channel, Next in Food. If you have not yet done so, go ahead and subscribe. Tell a friend about the channel. This is where you're going to get all the delicious Jamaican inspired dishes and the traditional Jamaican dishes like the banana porridge that I'm making here today. I am your diva chef, Simone Walker-Barrett. Remember to like, comment, share, and I'll see you next time. Take care.